Class was pretty good tonight.
Yeah, great class tonight.
I'm still shocked, though, that nobody's coming out with us.
I think it's a whole work night thing, you know?
Yeah, but I'm starting to think that the whole class hates me.
No way. They idolize you.
I don't know. Some of them were giving me looks.
That detective scene you had tonight had everyone rolling out of their bentwood chairs. They were dying.
That was pretty good.
It was hilarious. So you have any plans this week?
Yeah, actually. I have a couple of dates lined up.
Nice, nice. Throwing out some old lines out there.
Yep, the old line and bobber.
Yeah, yes and right. Swiping right.
Yep, just swiping right as fast as I can on the apps.
Nice, nice.
Gotta play the field.
Yeah.
My friends always tell me that I'm like one of the best at creating conversations.
Yeah, it's your improv skills.
So I'm super excited. I think it's gonna go
great.
So well.
Good for you, man. Excited for you.
Yep.
Yeah.
How about you? You got your puppet already planned out?
Yeah, man. I got a lot of really great ideas for the old puppet, actually.
Really?
I've been thinking about this class for a while.
You already have a puppet planned out for next week?
I'm super excited. It's gonna be really good.
What is it?
It's top secret. Just be ready. Like, my puppet's gonna be really good.
So you're not gonna tell me?
I can't. It's top secret.
Okay.
Yeah, just be ready.
Hey, I'm ready to start Netflixing and chilling. I'm sorry I didn't get the memo about the PJ party. Do you normally not wear that much to bed? Yeah, my buddy doesn't wear anything to bed. He says it's more freeing. I don't think I could do it though. Oh, you have to pick Terminator 2. It's my favorite. Ah! That part always gets me. Well, this was fun. Hasta la vista, baby. I'll be back. I'm actually just kidding about that. I'll be back.
Hey, how'd the date go?
Hey, it went okay. I don't get Netflix and chill. I thought she just wanted to hang and just watch a movie. Turns out she wanted more.
Yeah, Netflix and chill could be a crapshoot, Girls are weird. Yeah, you never know what's going on with it, You just kind of gotta go for the ride. Maybe you're enjoying the movie. Maybe you're, just gotta enjoy the company.
I'm having a hard time finding a puppet. It feels so weird being a grown man asking for a children's toy.
It's not weird. Look at the ancient Greeks. They pretty much invented the puppet. Yeah, you got this.
Do you have any ideas? Are you sure you won't tell me what you're doing?
I can't tell you about my puppet. Every puppet has to be unique to its owner.
All right. Fine. I gotta go.
Okay, bye.
I'm excited. The last date I was on was a little awkward. So I'm ready to get that behind me. I hate sushi.
Hey, how'd the date go?
Hey. The date didn't go great. Turns out she likes sushi. What am I paying the restaurant for if they're not going to cook my food?
Good point. Good point.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time finding any puppets. I asked the lady this time if they had any puppets, and she looked at me like, I know you don't have any kids. What child are you trying to abduct? I feel so creepy.
I don't think that was the case. Look at Jeff Dunham. Do you think he gets weird looks?
Are you sure you don't have any ideas? Or can you please just tell me what you're making?
I'm still not going to tell you about my puppet. You have to find your own unique character.
Fine, be that way.
Okay, bye.
That's a great idea for a business plan. I would have never thought about that. It's so sustainable, so millennial. Oh, a picture. Yeah, you gotta document the date. I'm gonna get some burgers and fries. Yeah. Oh, you like to travel the world. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, another picture. Do it for the gram. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Oh. Another photo, huh?
Hey,
Got it!
congrats! How'd the date go?
No, I don't want to talk about the date. It was horrible.
Okay. What is it?
Yeah, it's just a stuffed animal. It says I woof you, though. Whatever the hell that means.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut open its rectum here. Sorry, little guy, this knife's going right up that anus.
Yeah, you gotta go all in. Put your whole self into it.
Oop, I broke through here.
Make your puppet open up to you. You've gotta show it love. Just that deep, true love. It has to be real. You have to love your puppet sincerely.
Yeah, I was thinking, you don't think I'm gonna offend anybody in class by shoving my hand up this dog's ass, do you?
At the end of the day, every puppet has a hand up its ass.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Unless it's a marionette or something. Oh, he looks great. Hello. Alright, I'll see you in class.
Alright, bye.
Nice puppet.
Hey, Larry. Thanks for coming out with me.
No problem, Mikey. I took you to my favorite Instagrammable spot in the entire city.